Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we are going to do a South Indian style macaroon. For this, take half a cup of cashew nuts. Grind this coarsely. Don't grind the cashews for a long time, it will become a paste, so grind this carefully. It has to be like this. Set this aside. Now let us take half a cup of sugar. Grind this as fine as possible. The powdered sugar has to be a fine powder like this. Set this aside. Next we are going to beat the eggs. We need only the egg whites. Take 2 egg whites. Be very careful, not even a single drop of yellow should mix with the white. If it does so, you won't get stiff peaks while beating. So here are the whites of 2 eggs. We are going to beat this until stiff peaks are formed. Here I am using an electric beater. You can also use a hand beater. If you use a hand beater, it will take little more time than the electric beater. You can stop beating at this stage. You can see the stiff peaks. At this stage, you can start adding the powdered sugar. Add the powdered sugar little by little and give a nice beat. This will turn creamy and shiny at one stage. This is perfect. It has to be like this. To this, add the grinded cashews. Mix it slowly, don't beat it. The macaroon batter is ready. It has to be like this. Let us fill this in a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can go for ordinary plastic bags. This is a baking tray with a parchment paper. Pipe the batter like this. By this time, you have to preheat your oven at 100 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. We are going to bake this very slowly at low temperature. Bake this for about 1.5 hours at 100 degrees Celsius. After the baking time, you have to give at least 2 to 3 hours as resting time. Once it gets completely cooled down, you can take it out. So here our macaroons are ready. It will just melt in your mouth. Do give it a try. It will be very nice. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.